man's hands could never caress my form with such grace. Sensation perfection? Oh, only achieved by its gyrating blades. Yeah, those black corners can bear the weight of an ass that could crush a man's skull. If this unlikely love isn't in God's plan, I'll gladly take hell's endless toll. I'm in love with my box fan. I had sex with my box fan, and I'm not afraid to admit it.
Yeah, I had sex with my box fan.
The night air fills with sweet lesbians of a half girl and her box fan. I'm lucky, envy strikes even the most skilled handyman. It gives breath to my lady lips and gives them an unstoppable voice. Now they no longer need me to protest to their own choice. Objectophilia, mania. The cameras are chasing us, but on high speed it takes me so far. From them we run away, powered by pure lust. Yeah, when my box fan gives me hickeys, it takes me to industrial bliss. Humming and glowing it keeps discreet.